Russia claims that its forces have captured the frontline town of Kurakhove in the eastern Ukraine's Donetsk region. The town has borne the brunt of Russian advances in recent months and is a stepping stone to the key logistical hub of Pokrovsk. Ukraine has not acknowledged the fall of Kurakhove, which is 35 kilometers, that is 21 kilometers south of Pokrovsk. Fierce fighting has also been underway in Russia's Kursk region in recent days after Ukraine launched a counter-attack on Sunday. The BBC has verified several flag-raising videos showing Russian troops on the outskirts of Kurakhove and its surrounding areas. A well-known Ukrainian journalist, Yuri, wrote on his Telegram channel that the city of Kurakhove had been effectively lost to the Russian forces. Ukrainian bloggers said servicemen had been subjected to constant fire and multiple rocket launchers and guided or glide bombs and missiles. Deep State, a Ukrainian monitoring group that tracks the front line of the war using open sources, showed most of Kurakhove under Russian control at the midday on Tuesday. However, Ukrainians have not acknowledged the capture of the town of the Russian forces. Victor, a spokesperson for Ukraine's Khortytsia group of forces, told Reuters news agency that as of Monday morning, Ukrainian forces are still engaging Russian troops inside Kurakhove. Kurakhove is linked to Pokrovsk by the road, and that the part of the infrastructure to move troops and supplies along the front line seems very difficult. The taking of Kurakhove would allow the Russian to go north and attack Pokrovsk from a new direction, analyst Roman Porelli said. Russian Defense Minister also claimed on Monday that the villages of Donetsk was the 8 kilometers south of the Pokrovsk have been captured by its forces. Kiev forces are repeatedly surviving and with the manpower shortages and have been losing ground in the east of Ukraine in recent months as Russian troops advance.